Hello everyone, friends. On Kala Wallet. Today I will show you how to download and install Jupyter, yes, a laptop on your PC. Accordingly, go to the browser. We need Anaconda Python here. Download the distribution. Click Start, sign in with your Google account and select the graphical installer after logging in here. And we have the Anaconda loader swinging. We are waiting. Next, accordingly, open this Anaconda installer. We have such a load. Click next, next, just for me, next, next. And accordingly, here immediately installation to my patch. This is what we immediately tick. Accordingly, if you are downloading for the first time. But if you don't put it here, then you will have to add it manually. Click install. In general, the program is not recommended. I don't know why. Why? Because it will conflict with other programs. In short, you don't have to put it as you want, by chance. Well, we are waiting. So, well, accordingly, it has been established in our country. Click next and finish. Next we need, oh yes, exactly. Open prompt. Yes. So we write here, Jupyter laptop book. Enter here. Press enter and wait for the command to be processed. Here is such an initialization and we are waiting for its completion. Next, you will be prompted or automatically selected, respectively, the browser through which you want to log in. Jupyter will immediately open with the main page if it loads, of course. Here it is loaded. That's it. Well, you can work with a sample, like subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.